We listened to before now said if you live for others, he said if you live for yourself, you live in vain. If you live for others, you live again, you know. So I'm here to serve as the conscience of the society. So over the years, the census board has been doing a wonderful job, but the content in the media is a reflection of the people. It reports, in Nollywood, Living in Bondage, is the first movie in Nigeria to tell us about ritual killings and money making. Today we have tons of them, that is, tons of new movies telling us about it because that's the reflection of the society. But one of the major challenges of the average reporter on the street is how to link the glamour with the gruesome output, that is, ritual killings. Just like the story I told you, I reported, about a little boy that was murdered and dumped on the roadside at Idana Junction here in Anambra State. How can we link that with the glamour that follows? Then, that part, Polo Akawasolo Fuma, that part, if you have seen, if you have seen the original Living in Bondage, not the cinematic one, of today, but that one that featured Kenneth Okonkwo and Kanayo, and the rest of them. So as Street Report does, bringing that professional attitude into the social media, because a lot of people are blaming activities on social media for the rise of this. But social media, if you look at if we should look back, before Facebook and Twitter and the rest of them came out, we used to have High Five, we used to have MySpace, and one of the reasons why I think most of these ones did not do very well, like that of Facebook and Twitter and the rest of them today, is the level of censorship. So the social media needs to be censored, yes, but what we are putting out is the reflection of the people. That's what we see there out there. But the activities of of like media, even in social media as well, is supposed to teach the society a trend of abiding with morality as well. And when that happens, censorship will become like a watchword, and it's responsible, like the responsibility of the media to occupy the space of the social media in content making. A lot of unprofessional personnel, they take the wheel of that censorship through the social media. A lot of things that are not factual are being sold as facts. So like Street Report believes in the fact that it is our responsibility to right the wrongs, and we are on it. But everybody must learn, and there is consequences to every action. Yeah, this is Street Report on Airborne, the 103.5 FM, as I await your input on what you know about get rich quick syndrome. Who is to blame, and how can we remedy it? How can we fix our society, that our society will not be that will not be suffering from get rich quick syndrome? Enjoy this one as Street Report continues to unfold.